Hi, welcome to the QuickIT.net. My name is Amrita and today we will going to learn about the basic about Cypress. Introduction and the architecture. Cypress is next generation end-to-end testing tool constructed for modern web-based application. As we know, the current technology, the most of the developers are using the MVC, Model View Controller. To test such an application, we need an automation tool which is supported for my MVC model. Most testing tools like Selenium operated by running outside of browser and executing the remote command across the network, but the Cypress engine directly operates inside the browser. It enables Cypress to listen and modify the browser behavior at runtime by manipulating DOM and altering network requests and responses. Node installation and setup. Node.js is a server-side runtime environment that is built on top of Chrome V8 JavaScript engine. It is open source, totally free of cost, and millions of developers use it across the globe. It is a runtime environment. Additionally, it includes everything you need to run a program written in a JavaScript. You are required to install a Node.js framework before start building your Node.js application. For more videos, please do subscribe and like the videos. Happy testing. Thank you.